Hello everybody. Today we have a bag from Hobby Lobby and we're gonna be showing you what we got today. I think it's gonna be a really cool essential. So yeah.
We got Venusfly traps. Seeds.
It comes with like the little thing too, so we could plant them.
It was $15 at
Hobby Lobby.
And
Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little more like pictures of it. Hey guys. There's this part, and then what it says over here.
Did you?
Then in the back, you guys can't really see it because we have pretty bad lighting right here. And then here, and then we're back to this. Okay. Shan, could you hold it?
Of course.
Okay.
Stop.
So we're gonna be unboxing it, or I am, because she's holding it for me. So it's like a little dirt palette. Has no nutrients in it. And then the seeds for it. And then the little container thing for it. See if I get the last thing out. So,
Let me see. Oh. I'm tearing it apart. Oh.
shut up.
Make me, kid. Just kidding.
Oh, it's this one. There we go. And this. I don't know what we need this for. I think
It's for the bottom. Yeah.
Oh wait, hold on.
Sorry.
Oh, and this we just put it in the plants. Okay.
This is all you put in there.
So, we have that little thing. I just made it right now. So, Chen here. Okay, guys, right now my sister's going to go get the water so we can continue the process of doing this bad boy right here. Let me show you a little bit of the seeds. It's just like little seeds, so we have to be really careful. I'm gonna just get a little piece of paper real fast. Be right back. Okay, my sister's gonna get triggered, but we're gonna use her art canvas. I should have used my camera for this, but whatever. Okay, so the seeds don't fall out. My sister's right now, she's still getting the water. And with the water, we can mix the dirt with. Bro, my eyes look like I'm not even looking at the camera. Like, right now I'm not, but yeah, now I am. It's weird. Oh my god, look at this. I usually put it down, but what if I put it on the side? That looks so weird. Finally, she's back. Hi. Oh, we have another special guest here. It's... Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, it's my little sister. So she's gonna be helping us now, I
Why are
guess.
you using my canvas?
Because I can't find any paper. Okay. Wait, are we gonna use Alina's cup? For the thing? Mine as well. Okay. Wait, what are you going? Okay, she's going to the bathroom first. Oh, okay, maybe start putting the water in real fast. Okay, my sister doesn't want to give me the things I could pour the water in. Nina, can I please use it? Please? Why? Alina, could you throw us away, please?
Yeah.
Is the thing for this? Go throw it away, please. So cute. Okay, so I might as well just read this thing because my sister went to use the bathroom. Alright, it says fly trap, and it has that weird name. The actual name what scientists use for it. It says origin is North Carolina, so it's from the US. The light, like, you don't really need that much light, so like this kind of lighting is okay, I guess. And then water, it shows 3 drops, so I'm guessing not a lot. And then like germination, or something like that. It's 1 to 3 months, and then it eats bugs. Then it gets bigger every year. Okay. No, Nina, leave it alone. Hold on. Use only distilled water. That's it. We have to. I put it upside down because I wanted to. The sprouting information. Seeds are very small, and it just says like a paper like we have here to put right there. Growing in care. Okay. I don't really want to read the rest anymore. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys right on the water bottom. Here's how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see it a little better. So hopefully, someday I'll get a ring light so I can put on the camera. Or I just use my camera for now. I just like, it's a Nikon, so I don't really want to use it because like, it saves on the app, but I don't think video save on it. So yeah, you got it? Okay, my sister finally got it. It took like 3 minutes.
Shut up, dude.
Thank you. Okay, so here's the thing. I don't think this is 4 inches. Beautiful. Oh my god. Alright, this is water. Okay. I have to go like this so you guys can see me now. Hold up. There we go. Jan, could you go give me... Oh wait, I think I could use this on the ground. Here's the dirt.
Aiden.
What? Why do you throw hot Cheetos at me? I mean, puppies. Sorry.
Because why not?
Shut up. Okay, there's that.
Let me
So I'm in the process of opening it right now. Oh, it doesn't fit. Here we go, here we go.
Ew.
That was hard. I put it to the middle. Okay, now we're gonna start putting water in it. We have to use distilled water because it doesn't have any nutrients in it. And we needed it so, because it's a carnivore plant. I'm acting like so smart right now.
And
it's a carnivore plant and like they don't need any nutrients to grow. They just need bugs. And this dirt.
And you could get this at Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart, Target, maybe like in the baby section because babies don't drink normal water for now when they're little anyways, I think.
What? You're like,
okay.
I think.
Oh, I forgot to put water in here. Okay, there's the water. Wait, how much did this say? Hold on, guys. Okay, it says to put in slowly, so.
That's not.
Hold on.
At
Shannon,
least
could
that.
you hand me a little thing to stir it with? I'll just use this. Oh my god. I think I'm just gonna use the
Just
whole
use Aiden. Just use Alina's hair down.
Use this. It says use a spoon, but I don't want to.
That's my little sister's hair curler for her Barbie.
Why is it leaking?
Dummy.
Oh my god, that's way too much. I'll be back to you guys when this is a little better, not like a freaking rock.
It looks like a patty.
Shen, honestly, do you think I should just use my hands? Honestly. Oh my god. I'm gonna just try to break it. Okay, I'm trying to break it down with my hands. Not working at all.
Aiden!
I think I should just pour
Mom's
this.
gonna use
Finally! What I'm talking about. And Shannon, this is too much water. Could just like dump a little bit of this.
Why do you want me to do everything?
Because I'm right here. Right. Here we go. Yes.
It's yours, right?
We're gonna eat too much. Let's go. It's already 10 minutes and we're really done eating. This is getting somewhere now. I don't know how long this video is going to be. It's probably going to be like 20 minutes. Let me see. Now I get why we... You know what? You want to talk to the people in the question? I'll go get this phone.
I'm eating. I guess. How much water did it say to put in? You should have read it.
I said 3/4 of a cup. I think that's good enough. Okay, there's like no more smudges, and they said like start putting in the seeds when there's like no more smudges. So I guess we'll see what's on. It's not super smooth, but it's as smooth as I can get it. Bro, like in like a few months, I'm probably trying to show this to you guys every like every 2 videos I make each week. I think this is like my 10th video now. Oh my god, I made a mess. I don't know if I showed you the seeds or I showed you this. Oh my god, this one is so much. I just want to watch seeds. Oh my god. It was a little thing, so. Those are the seeds. You can't even see how small they are. You gotta go into big bad boys. Remember when I was younger, like I always wanted one of these. Oh, I didn't, but like I always wanted the ones from like Plants vs Zombies. So I thought they were real or something. Like every time we used to go to Chili's, I would play the games. And then my mom or my sister would take it. It was before our special guest, the little one. She was born.
Wait.
I think how old was I? Like 7? There's so many seeds. Look at that. You can barely see them. There's like 1, 2. Oh my god, there's so many cramped together. No!
Kid! You're dropping the freaking salt. Let's be honest.
Okay, I got them in my hands. Now, you see them? Just super small. Oh. So,
Alina's with grandma. Hazel's with dinosaurs.
All these pants right here are dirty.
okay, I just put the seeds in. And you can't even see them. They're super small. So, I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Come on,
Follow me on TikTok. It's Cheyenne_Z. So, you better.
bye.